Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to make a cute card using cute fruit. This is a beginning stamper stamp set, and I will be doing a whole entire online class on this. So if you are interested, check out my blog site, beautyandthestamper.com. It'll have all the information, and it will have a tutorial on the card that we are going to make today. So we're going to get this cute fruit. We are going to get, let's see, this little happy face here and this little smile there. And that's all we'll be using from this card, or for this card. Let's go ahead and get our papers out. I'm going to have a sheet of Whisper White thick, cut right in half at 4 1/4, and then scored at 5 1/2. So when we put this little guy down and we take our bone folder and burnish that down, we're going to get a perfect card base there. I'm going to set that base off to the side. And then I've got another piece of Whisper White thick, and this one is cut just 1/4 inch smaller. So we've got 4 by 5 1/4. Now this is a quick and easy card. Let's go ahead and get out our little bumblebee, one of the new in colors, and we're gonna go ahead and get our ink there. And then right about the middle, we're going to just tap that into the ink, and right about the middle, just lay that down and then start going out. And you're just going to go lighter and bigger, and just about, oh, I don't know, 2 inches wide maybe. Maybe 2.5 inches wide. And then if it's a little off center, just make it a little bit more center. But that's okay. And then we're done with that. And we're going to get out our little smile here, and then our Memento ink. And we're going to put that just right here. Super cute. And you know what? While we have our Memento ink out, I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to get a piece of, let's see, I'm going to get a piece of Whisper White, but I don't need it to be thick. But we'll go ahead and get, since I have it right here, we'll just get a piece of the Whisper White thick. And then we're going to use our large daisy punch. And we're going to get, there we go, punch out one of those daisies. Now we're going to get our cute little smile with the cute little eyes. And give our daisy a cute little face there. Now, we are going to take the subtle dynamic folder, and we're going to run this piece through our die cutting machine. And then we are going to come out with a piece like this. Now, that's it, you guys. We're ready to start putting stuff together. I'm going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals. So I've got our Stampin' Dimensionals here, and we're just going to take and put a bunch of them on the back of this card. So you want to make sure you have enough, because when you do run things through the embossing machines, it makes it a little more weak. But since this was done on thick, it's still pretty good. But I like to put at least 6 on there. So I'm going to pull these off real quick. I have to tell you, I was making a bunch of cards, and my Take Your Pick tool did not find its way back to my desk. So I need to go rescue it from wherever it may be because I need it. It's going to rescue me. I'm not rescuing it. Alright, so now we've got, I'm going to flip this over. We're going to center this up. We're going to have a nice little 1/8 of an inch border all the way around, just like that. And then we're going to take one more of these Stampin' Dimensionals and put it right here, and it's going to fit just perfectly in there. Now at this time, if you want, you could give some dimension to your daisy. You can have them going up, you can have them going down, you can leave them flat, however you want. I'm just going to go every other way and very lightly, so it just gives a little bit of dimension there. That's super cute. And then we're just going to take and put that right here, just like that. And then I'm going to take my pearls, and if you watched my last card, you saw that I colored the pearls, and it's very easy. You just take the marker that you want. This one happens to be, actually I'm going to go with a little bit lighter. This is the Mango Melody, the light one. And so you just run it around like that, and you've got yourself a nice colored little pearl like that. And so again, I don't have my Take Your Pick tool, so I'm going to have to resort to the old style. And you're just going to put a couple of these here, and then we'll put another one here. And look how quick and easy you have that little card. Alright, I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. And remember, beautyandthestamper.com. Check my description, and I will have all of my information for you. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!
Today's the first day of the rest of your